Okay, guys, doing just an update into the end of the day here, Friday. That's the 31st. Good week this week. Did really well on our pairs trades between equity futures. Got more involved in bonds this week. So I'm just going to highlight what we did. And I'll save Sunday night for kind of doing a global macro, get into like what we're looking forward to into next week. Just want to highlight what we did here today. So in the prop room on the prop team, we actually came in short the Russell for most of this move down. So here's the hourly chart. This is what I've been doing on the core side. So every time we get high on the 30-minute hourly 4-hour cycle, I like making sales on the Russell. And then we've been covering here, covering their pie, covered this morning on the lows. And actually, I probably have a chance to reshort into the close. I didn't, but I'll short maybe Sunday night somewhere up here between here and 1500. Nasdaq covered the low, actually went long. So we've been playing Nasdaq long, went long, came out of it, went long, came out of it. Then you had a nice rally. I'm still a little bit long. And day trade, I got long for this move too. I talked about it when we were going into lunch that you're going to get some 30-minute, 50-minute cycles. Maybe we get a rally. So I played the 1 minute there. Let me show you what that looked like. This is our new Cycle Edge 2.0. This is our, I guess, flagship membership. I used to be charging $100, $150 every single month, guys, and a lot of alert services or newsletter are priced for that. Anybody that's a professional and knows what they're doing is amateurs running rooms with the same amount. This is just $250 for the year. It's going to be more alerts, cross asset classes. This is what I did today in bonds. I'll show you on the chart there, and ultras, how we're playing it. I give you a morning call, weekly analysis. It's more of the institutional type of work I do. And there's a members area. So like when you guys have all our courses, this is what the members area looks like. These are all the different courses that I've done. But when you're in the Cycle Edge membership, this is the analysis we'll be doing. And I put the morning update today I did before the open. So all that good stuff. It's just $250, guys, for the entire year now. Just go here to memberships, Cycle Edge. You can click that also and get signed up. Right. And then the prop program, the options team, I put everything, all our courses. I'm still running this through the next week, through the weekend. It's my Forex course. It's the Pi Cycle course. It's the entire institutional directional model. It's the options course, how we did spreads. I mean, I showed the options guys today how I used 2,500 in buying power to control every 100 shares in Amazon. Instead of buying 315,000 worth of Amazon with all the downside risk, you play the right call ratio spreads, you can benefit big. So anyway, there's about 15 grand worth of courses and the options program and the options teams. The prop program is my coaching. You're with me every single day. If you got questions about your longer term trades, your swing trades, whatever. I mean, how you're trading intraday, just click here, get access. I've never run anything this cheap, guys. It's only $14.99. It's crazy how, but a lot of you have opened up new accounts. There's a lot going on in the market, obviously, as we're trading this depression. And now's the time to get equipped, get educated, get the right edges. So that was what we did in bonds. What else did I want to highlight? Oh, what I was just saying with the Amazon. Come back to that. But here was my trading on the Nasdaq late in the day. Pretty good, couple $2,200. So I mean, and guys in the prop program, I help you get funded through Top Step, which is a Chicago firm. I've done it. I know the process. You can do it. You pay a monthly to have access to 15 contracts. I mean, and the buying power, 150,000 in buying power, 100,000 in buying power. Pay $300 a month. Don't take the risk. Help me, have me help you trade. Pay to get educated. For some coaching. Pay to be on the team. Smarter way to put your hard-earned money to work. So good day on the prop side. This is what was possible with Amazon. I'm telling you, this is on 4 contracts today, 26 grand. I mean, what's that worth? Is that worth $1,500 the entire life to be able to trade options and stuff like this around some high price stocks? Probably. The pairs trade worked out well. We talked about it this morning. This is Nasdaq versus the Russell. When you lay the chart, we were buying Nasdaq. This is what I mean. And then you trade around the Russell. Really nice move. Gold and silver still setting up core long. I did trade that around on the short side this week, and then it kind of took off here late in the day. What I was watching, I didn't grab silver because I was just busy with the Nasdaq. I almost did, but I was already having a good day. I didn't want to kind of spoil it. But we were trading around right in here. Oops. I took a couple trades. Let's see. So caught the long on gold here. This is a silver chart, but gold pretty much traded the same. Faded silver, covered silver, shorted it again here, covered it here. And then I was watching this wedge, and actually right early afternoon, this candle right here was a signal to go long. And then when you traded above this high, you could have added to it. You could have added here, you could have added here. But these are profit takes here. This first push above these highs. And this is a profit take here. And then you could add back. So let's see. Silver's got a lot of momentum for a lot of good reasons. And maybe they push it over the weekend. Take another shot at 26. Took profits well. I bought some back here around 23. I like being core long both gold and silver. But day trade, sometimes I'll get on the short side of silver market if I'm playing the long in gold. But Nasdaq had a nice strong finish. Amazon didn't really go out as strong. Let me just talk about what I did on Amazon. So it was long for earnings, took some profit in the morning, and then actually traded it around pretty well. So when we had this pullback, I bought the Nasdaq, but I got more long. So I covered the short side of my call spreads, which got me more long for this rally. And then I sold 3,200 strike calls twice, just out weekly. So when we had this rally, I sold calls against my long. And then when we came back off, I made money on those. I covered those back. Maybe that's $1,500. Rallied again, sold them here at the bands, came back off, covered those. And then when we were at the bottom of the range, there was put options that expire today. So I sold some 3160 puts down here, and then we rallied up. I booked those. So there's lots to do around your core position, guys. What's the fun part about the options market? You can get directionally positioned, add and reduce to your position, but then there's other ways that you can write calls and write puts. That's the way to take advantage of the time decay. There's only so much time in life. Most people, time is their enemy. They have to pay their rent. They have to pay all these bills every month. There's not a lot you can do to put time in your favor from a money standpoint, but selling calls, selling puts is one of the ways you can do that. And so that's what I teach in the options group and options team as well. So anyway, good week. We'll pick it up again Sunday night, Monday. Hope to see some of you in the room. Again, just come to jenkinscm.com. There's the course here. Take advantage of this, guys. I'm not going to be running this discount very much longer. And then it's going to go back to probably $5,000 for the prop team and the coaching. And then if you want to sign up and get involved on the membership, the subscription cycle edge, that's right there. And we'll get you guys in the chat room. You can always message me from inside of here too. That's a good way to do it. I'll put the links in this video. All right, have a great weekend. Have fun, be safe. I'll talk to you.